Look at this physics page on my screen. It has too many hard words and long sentences. I don't want to write all this by hand. It's too much work. So I just press Windows plus Shift plus T on my keyboard. I draw a box over the text, and that's it. It's copied now. Windows already has this powerful hidden shortcut built in, and most people don't even know it exists. Now I open a blank Word file and I just paste it. Look, all the physics text is here in 1 second. No typing, no stress. This is the best way to steal text from any picture or even a video. Now my screen is very messy with Word and many other apps. I want to go to my desktop fast, but I don't want to minimize every window one by one. I just press Windows plus D. Everything hide instantly, and I can see my clean desktop. It's like a magic escape button. Now suppose I need to put my files in a new place. Don't use the mouse for this. It's very slow. Just press Control plus Shift plus N. See? A new folder appeared just like that. Now I am organized and I didn't even touch the mouse. Sometimes a program just stopped working. It's frozen and the mouse can't close it. Don't worry about it. Just press Alt plus F4. This will force the app to shut down right now. It's the easiest way to kill any annoying program that is stuck. These are my favorite tricks for 2026. They save me so much time every day. Try them on your computer and you will see how fast you become. Thanks for watching.